Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
My beautiful assistant is going to tell you where we are and what it's cost us.
It's a campsite in a place called Peniche or Peniche, and it's cost £7 a night. We didn't have electric.
€7.
Sorry, €7. We didn't have electric. There are toilets and showers which are charged for, and but you've got all your services here, and you've also got a caravan wash.
Yep, they have indeed. It's about €10 a night if you want electric. It comes in a variety of amperages from 6 amps up to 16. I believe they come and tell you which socket to plug in and then turn it on so that people don't steal it. But yeah, you've got a double service point over there, and yes, that is a tower so you can wash the roof of your van and clean your van, which after 2 months on the road, and we last cleaned this van, as you just saw in our very quick time lapse back in England,
December,
it could
was
do
it?
it. Yeah, it's going to need doing. I tried to wipe the door a little bit, but I've made a terrible mess of it.
Oh dear. But it's a nice secure site. The gates are shut at night.
Yeah,
you
it's
have a security code to get in and out.
It's a walled compound.
Not very pretty.
It's not pretty, but it's a sun trap, keeps
Yeah.
breeze out. I believe, having done some research last night on Google Maps, we found an old tower behind it, a chimney, and this may have been part of the old canning factory, the largest canning factory in the area. Yeah, the fact that the road behind it was called the street of the canning factory really gave that away. Yeah.
You'll find what you are looking for. In fact, that's all you'll see. Set out to defend your cause. Poison darts in the head. These days
this is Fort de Luz. It was one of the many fortifications that protected what this was once an island. We've seen part of the walls. There's a mighty fortress, a star-shaped fortress at the other side of town. And this was to defend the port. And who was it defending it from? Well, it was built in the 1650s. So, a lot of the time, it was being used to defend itself against both Barbary pirates and British freebooters.
Hiding everything in life feels very frightening, and I live with so much that I longer don't know why even. So violent, my mind, every thought I have I'm dying. But it's life, right? I know, might just meet some guy and cry a little. Help me, I need a good advice. Please don't say no, be my hero. You can tell me lies, please don't cut these ties. Need a hero, 'cause I got zero.
Whining so hard, I think life's all about me. And it's hardly even snow, but I stay inside like it's the ice age. I need you to dry my face. Look how I behave, and all the mess that I made. But I did really do my best, breaking down my neck, and it's me to blame.
Yeah, yeah. Help me, I need a good advice. Please don't say no, be my hero. You can tell me lies, please don't cut these ties. Need a hero, 'cause I got zero.
Right, apologies if we're not particularly focused, but my glasses have gone dark and I can't really see.
Oh, what did I do? My sunglasses are in my pocket. That's why I've been like this all day.
Is it? Why do I bring her?
Well, at least I'm not.
Because I need to stay for more than 90 days.
Yeah,
Right.
I did actually put them in the tumble dryer yesterday, and they did survive. So
Okay.
there you go. Right.
Right.
That's better.
Chapel of the Remedios, or the Chapel of Medicines, behind us. In the 12th century, they found a cave out on this headland that contained Christian goods. They believed it had been hidden from the Moors, or pirates. they built a chapel here, and it is the most westerly chapel in mainland Europe.
There you go.
Yeah, it's not the most westerly point. That's Cabo de Rock down a little bit further down the coast, which we will go and find because I'm a sort of map geek who likes just to tick boxes and do stuff like that. But it's been lovely. They reckoned it was going to rain all day today. It hasn't yet. We had a few spots of rain, or it might have been big sea wave washing up.
Yeah, it was nothing really, was it?
But this coast is on this little isthmus.
Very dramatic.
It is very dramatic. It changes dramatically. Lots of stone, rock edges, cliffs. As you can see just here, there's just like great big cuts in the rock that there's no warning signs saying don't fall down them.
Well, if you fall down, you'll hurt yourself or die. So.
Yeah, all drowned.
Yeah.
But there's a man actually fishing right off the edge of the cliffs, because that's what they say they do here.
I can't go near the edge because it's too sheer for me. I'm worried about falling in.
Yeah, we'll get. Yeah, you've got form for falling down cliffs, ain't you? Anyway, I'm going to turn you around and we're going to have a view of the lighthouse and the man fishing, and perhaps the lovely islands again, which are 10 kilometres off. They've got a hotel, a restaurant and a fort on. And the reason they put a fort there was to stop the Barbary pirates landing and living on it this close to the coast.
You don't want Barbary pirates.
No, you don't.
Life is very frightening, and I love it so much that I longer don't know why even. So violent, mama, every thought I have I'm done. But it's like rain. I know, might just meet some guy and cry a little. Help me, I need a good advice. Please don't say no, be my hero. You can tell me lies, please don't cut these ties. Need a hero, 'cause I got zero hope.
Whining so hard, I think life's all about me. And it's hardly, I stay inside like it's the ice age.
I'm either recording sea or I'm recording dolphins. There they are. We were just walking along the path and I saw something in the water. And as I say, I don't know. Could be tuna, but I think it's dolphins. But I'm going to go now because I want to look at it with my own eyesight.